Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to apply for new PAN card, how to apply for duplicate PAN card, how to apply for a PAN card if you lost it. In this video we will cover entire process and I will also cover points to be remembered by applying your PAN card. So let's start now. First you have to open any browser. Here I have opened Chrome browser and you have to search TIN NSDL PAN apply. It is the first website which appears online services.proteintech.in. You have to click over here. If you have started your PAN application process and you want to resume it, then you have to click on resume here. Now here you have to click on new application. Now you have to select from this drop down menu. If you are applying for reprint or lost PAN card, you have to click over here changes or correction in existing PAN database. If you also want to update some data, if you also want to correct your name, date of birth, then also you can select this option. Here select applicant category, you have to select individual. Scroll down. Before filling these database, you have to ensure that your data is matching exactly with your Aadhaar card. I mean, whatever name you have in your Aadhaar card, same name to be filled here. After filling first name, last name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, and if you are citizen of India, you have to check this and click over here, and you have to fill your PAN number here. Now you have to scroll down, and here you have to click on I am not a robot. Now click on submit button. Now take a screenshot of this entire screen, because further if you get interrupted in your application filling process, then you can resume it by filling this token number. Now click over continue. Here are these three options. First option is for those who want to apply PAN card, who want to apply for duplicate PAN card without uploading his photo and signature. And second option is those who want to apply PAN card with photo and signature. Those who have selected first option, they will not get their photo and signature on their PAN card. And those who want to send application by speed post, they can opt this last one process. Here I will opt the second one process, submit scan images through e-sign. I will scroll down here. Whether physical PAN card is required. If you hover your cursor over fees applicable, then you will get fee amount you have to pay. Now here you have to fill your last 4 digits of your Aadhaar number. Here you have to fill last 4 digits of your Aadhaar and your name as per your Aadhaar. Now scroll down. If you have GST number, you can fill over here. Those who want to correct their name, date of birth and gender, they have to tick the particular tab for which correction is required. If you want to correct your name, then you have to select full name of applicant. If you want to correct your date of birth, then you have to select date of birth. If you want to correct your gender, then you have to select gender. Now scroll down. Here you have to fill your father's name and mother's name. And parent name to be printed on PAN card, you have to select from here. It is recommended father's name. Now click on next button. Here you have to select your address, whether it is a residence or office. Here I have residence address, so I select this. Scroll down. Here you have to fill your address as per your Aadhaar card. Point to be kept in mind, address should be matched with your address that is mentioned on back of your Aadhaar. If any mistakes were observed while processing your PAN, PAN will not get be dispatched. So let me fill. Here you can see I have filled address as per Aadhaar and contact details. Now scroll down and click on next button. Now you have to select your address proof, identity proof, date of birth proof and your PAN proof. So because I have photo of Aadhaar card, proof of address, same it is Aadhaar. There are many options that are available, but you can easily process your PAN card, duplicate PAN card, reprint of PAN card by using your Aadhaar card. As per latest update by TIN NSDL PAN, you cannot select Aadhaar card as a proof of birth. So here I will select driving license. proof of PAN, copy of PAN card. Scroll down. Here in declaration, you have to fill your own name and select self. Number of document enclosed. Here I am enclosing copy of PAN card, copy of Aadhaar card, copy of driving license. So number of document enclosed total 3. Place from where you are applying. I am applying from Delhi, so that is here. Now scroll down. Here you have to upload your photo that will be printed on your PAN card. So select, click over here. Now select your photo and click on open. Now click on upload. Here are certain limitations. The file size should be 50 KB. Again scroll down. Now we have to upload signature also. So click over here. Click on upload. Again scroll down. Now you have to upload your supporting documents. So let me get uploaded. So here I will upload all these 3 documents by clicking over here. For adding multiple documents, you have to click over add documents and you have to upload all documents that you have selected one by one, and finally you have to click on submit button. Here you have to fill your first 8 digits of your Aadhaar. Let me fill. Now scroll here. You have to check once again your name, date of birth, entire data you have filled, whether it is correct or wrong. If it is wrong, you can refill. Scroll down. Even you have to check your address also. Scroll down. Again scroll down. Again scroll down. Now finally, now if everything is correct, then you have to click on proceed. Again scroll down. If you want to pay PAN application fees, that is 106.90 by using demand draft, then you have to click over here, otherwise default option is selected. Scroll down. Now click on I agree, proceed to payment. Click on pay confirm. Now you will be redirected to payment gateway. If you want to pay your fees by using credit card, debit card, you can select credit and debit cards. Or if you want to pay your fees by using UPI, then you can select UPI. Or if you want to pay your fees by using generated QR code, then you can select CBDC. Or if you want to pay using by net banking, then you can select net banking. Here I will pay by scanning QR code, so I select here CBDC. Now click on generate QR code. Here QR code is generated and I have to scan this by any UPI app. So let me scan. When your payment is completed, you will be again return back to your PAN portal, that is PIN NSDL, and scroll down. Now click on continue. Again scroll down. Now click on checkbox and click on authenticate. OTP generation. Now you will receive one OTP that is on mobile number registered with Aadhaar. So you have to fill your OTP here. Click on submit. Again continue with e-sign. Click on checkbox. Here you have to fill your virtual ID that is printed on Aadhaar, or you can fill your Aadhaar number. Click on send OTP. Click on verify OTP. Now your PAN application is successfully submitted. You can open it by entering your date of birth. Click on OK. Here you can see receipt of PAN application, and you will receive it within 10 to 15 days on your registered address via speed post.
This is the end.